In this problem, we'll study similar triangles. The question says that the two triangles I'm showing you here are similar. We know that the diagonal side of the white triangle is 6 and the horizontal side is 4. Then, for a larger green triangle, we have a diagonal side of 9 and an unknown horizontal side, which I've labeled x. First, let's go over the definition of similar triangles. Triangles that are similar will have the same ratio between sides that are in the same position. Let's look to the diagonal sides, which I'm circling in yellow now. We can see that on the diagonal side in white we have a 6, and in green we have a 9. These two sides will have a ratio because these triangles are similar. Let's write down that we're looking at the diagonal side, and we'll write that these sides are in a 6:9 ratio. 6 for the white triangle and 9 for the green. Because the triangles are similar, we should also have the same ratio for the horizontal side. Let's make a note of that next. In the white triangle, the horizontal side is 4, and in the green triangle, the horizontal side is unknown, and we'll call that x. Because we have two ratios, we can write these as a proportion. Our first proportion will be the 6:9 ratio in the diagonal side. We'll put 6 on top and 9 on the bottom. We then write an equal sign, and then we look at the horizontal ratio, which is 4:x. Making sure that the numbers from the white triangle are in the numerator, and the ones from the green are in the denominator. Now that we have our proportion written, we can use a crossed product. To use our crossed product, we'll multiply the 6 on top of the first fraction times the x on the bottom of the second fraction, giving us 6x. Noting that when you have a number next to a letter, we can just put them right next to each other, and the multiplication is not written, but it is implied. Then we'll say equals, and then we'll look to the remaining numbers. We have 9 multiplied by 4, and so we'll have 6x equals 9 times 4. If we multiply the 9 times 4 together, we'll get 36. Therefore, we now have 6x equals 36. Now to solve for the x, we will divide by the number in front of x, which is 6. We'll do this on both sides. On the left, the 6 on top and the 6 on bottom will cancel each other out, leaving just x. On the right, 36 divided by 6 will give us an answer of 6. This tells us that the unknown side of the green triangle is 6. So, by writing ratios based on the fact that these triangles are similar, we could find the unknown side.